Ice cream.
What's that? What is that?
Ice cream cone.
Huh?
You.
It's a cookie inside the bucket. Okay, who's this?
And Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster. What is this?
Dog.
It's a dog. The dog says. Oh my God! You know what is this? What's this?
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cream. Ice cream only. What is it? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this?
Elmo.
Elmo! What is this? What are you doing? What are you doing? Elmo is up there. Okay. What is he doing? Look. He's throwing the water in his face. Okay. Look at what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Friends. Friends.
Friends? Yeah, they're friends, but they're bugs. Bugs.
Friends.
What's this?
Friends.
Friends? What friends? I don't know what is friends. Okay, we turn the page. Yeah, they're in the playground. Okay, who's this?
Rooster.
It's a rooster. Oh, okay, it's a rooster.
Ice cream rooster.
Yeah. Look, 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 look. What are you doing? Oh, it's empty. It's color. It's a rectangle. What is this?
A kite.
A kite. Oh my God. She knows what a kite is. Okay, what is this?
Star.
Star. Open it. What is this?
Cat.
Nest. Nest. What is this?
Monkey.
Oh, monkey. What is this?
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone. Very good. What's this?
Tea.
No, it's a fork. What's that? What's this?
A cookie.
Cookies. Very good. What's this?
Crocodile.
A crocodile. Okay, but it's an alligator. Okay, what's this?
A book.
A book. Very good. Another one. What's
Jump.
this? A drum.
Jump.
Very good. What's this?
Jump.
What's this?
Chicken.
Hamburger. Oh, what is it? Open it. What's that?
A pig.
A pig. Okay, a pig. The pig says?
Hungry.
Okay, what is this?
A water.
Umbrella. Amazing. What is this?
Violin.
Violin. Amazing. What's this?
A yellow.
Yo-yo. Very good. Open it. Open it. What is this?
Key.
Sleeper. Very good. What is this?
Ringing.
A phone is ringing? No. Xylophone. What is this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Okay. What is this? This one. This one's a L. This one. What is this?
Kite. Kite.
What's this?
Kite.
It's a truck, Sir L. It's a truck. So many things you don't know. It's violin. Okay, okay. Okay, this one, this one. What's this?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Amazing. The letter L, the letter L. We open the letter L. What's this? Lion. The lion says? Wow, very good. Okay, Mom.